Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these earrings. I will be showing you the crochet part, then you add whatever you want. If you want to add these or without them, or this one here, I added these to the earrings. I'm going to show you how to make the crochet part. For these earrings, I used this type of thread. As you can see. And I used a crochet hook that goes with it. If you buy the yarn, the thread, you can always ask what type of yarn, and even on the cover you will have written what type of crochet hook you need to make them. So I'm going to show you how to make these earrings. Hope that you find this video useful and that you try it. So we start by making 6 chains. So you start by making 6 chains, then you go in the first chain here and you close it with a slip stitch. Now we start with a chain. This chain will serve as a single crochet or double crochet, depends how you call it. And we're going to make another 11 single crochet or double crochet. So with the first chain we're going to have 12. So a chain and 11 single crochet or double crochet here in the chains here. You continue like that, making 11 single crochet or double crochet. So you can see these are ready. Now we start the next row with 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. And we're going to make a treble in the next chain. So you make a treble in the next chain. 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. The first 3 chains, these serve as a treble, the first 3. Now we go in the next chain and we make a treble. Another treble in the next chain. And we make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. We go in the next chain and we make another treble and another treble in the chain that follows. And again you make another 3 chains and you continue all the row like that. You make 2 trebles in the next 2 chains that you have and the 3 chains that separate them. In all you have to have 12 trebles or double crochet, depending how you call it, with 3 chains that separate them. And this row is ready too, as you can see. Now we're going to start from here. So we go in the first chain here, we do a slip stitch. We go here and we do a slip stitch until we arrive here in the first 3 chains. We make 3 chains. These serve, as I told you, as a treble. And we make a treble in the same place. Now 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and we're going to do a treble, but we leave the last stitch on the hook like this. We do another one and then we slip the 2 together. Now here we have to make 7 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We go here again where we made the chains. We make a treble, we leave the last stitch on the hook, we make another one, and then we slip them all together, the 2 of them together. We make another 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and we do another 2 here. We leave the last stitch on the hook, we do the second one, we leave it on the hook, and then we slip them together. Other 7 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And again we go here, we do 2, we leave it on the hook, the second one, and we slip them together. Another 3, 1, 2 and 3. And we do the same, another 2, 1 and 2, and then we slip them together. And you continue all the row like that. Here 7 chains, here 2, 3 chains and 2, and you continue all the row like that. This row is ready too, as you can see. Now we have to start from here, so we do a single slip stitch until we arrive here in the middle with a slip stitch, and we're going to do a single crochet. Here where there are 3 chains, we do a single crochet. Now we go here where we made the 7 chains, and we're going to make 6 trebles. I'm saying trebles, it's the English version, and the American version is double crochet 2. So when I say treble, it is double crochet 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 2 chains, 1 and 2, and we make another 7 trebles. 1, 2, 6 trebles, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 we have to make trebles, sorry, not 7, 6. 6 trebles. 2 chains, as I told you, and another 6 trebles. So you have to make 6, 2 chains, and another 6. In the same place where we made those 7 chains. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We go here where we have the 3 chains, and we do a single crochet or double crochet. The English version is double crochet, the American version is single crochet. Again, we go here where we have the 7 chains, and we make another 6 trebles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 2 chains, and another 6 trebles or 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We go here where we have the chains, and we make a double crochet or single crochet, how you call it. And you could continue all the round like that. 6, 2 chains, and another 6. And here a double crochet or single crochet. That was the last row, and you would have this result. When you finish that row that I showed you, you will have this result. As I told you, you can do whatever you want. You can add more things. I added these 2, I added this in the middle, and then you attach this one to put in your ears. You can do as you wish. You can even leave them out. Hope that you understood what I was doing and that you try it. Bye for now.